Hello, everyone. My name is Nirab. I am a student. Today, I want to tell you about my big dream and how English is helping me. When I was a small boy, I did not know much English. I only knew some words like hello, goodbye, thank you. I could not read big books. I could not speak long sentences. Sometimes people laughed at my English. I felt very sad. I wanted to speak like my teacher. I wanted to read books easily. I wanted to watch English movies without fear. One night, I was thinking. I looked at the stars. I said to myself, Nirab, you must change. You must learn English. You can do it. From that day, my journey started. I made a plan. I woke up early every morning. I read one page of an English book. I wrote 5 new words. After breakfast, I went to my school. In my English class, I listened to my teacher very carefully. I wrote notes in my notebook. I tried to answer questions in English. At first, I made mistakes. Sometimes my friends laughed, but I did not stop. I knew mistakes are good teachers. After school, I came back home. I ate lunch and took rest. In the evening, I studied again. I read short stories. I watched cartoons in English. I listened to English songs. I also talked to myself. I stood in front of my mirror. I said, "Hello, I am Nirab. I am a good boy. I want to learn English." Sometimes I felt tired. Sometimes I felt sleepy, but I did not give up. My dream was bigger than my sleep. I wanted to become a good English speaker. I wanted to travel to other countries. I wanted to meet new people. I wanted to help my family and make them proud. My parents helped me a lot. They bought me English books. They said, "Nirab, keep learning. One day you will speak very well." My teacher is also my hero. He teaches me with love. He never shouts. He smiles and says, "Nirab, speak slowly. Use simple words. Repeat many times." His words helped me a lot. I followed his advice. Every day I read, I write, I listen, I speak. I repeat. Sometimes I write my daily routine in English. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I read my English book. I go to school. I eat my lunch. I play with my friends. I do my homework. I sleep at 10 p.m. Writing my routine helps me to remember new words. One day, my teacher told me to give a speech in front of my class. I was scared, but I said, "I will try." I spoke slowly. I made small mistakes, but my teacher clapped for me. My friends clapped too. I felt very happy. From that day, I was not afraid to speak. I started talking more in English. Now, I talk to my teachers in English. I answer questions confidently. I help my friends too. I share new words with them. I also joined an English club in my town. There, we meet every week. We play word games. We tell stories. We ask questions in English. It is very fun. Sometimes I watch English news on TV. I try to understand. If I don't understand, I write new words and check them in my dictionary. I believe that English is my best friend now. It helps me to read books, watch movies, and learn about the world. My dream is to become a teacher one day. I want to teach English to poor children. I want to tell them, "Don't be afraid. You can speak English too." I also want to travel to London and America. I want to see big cities. I want to talk to people there in English. I want to share my story with them. I know my dream is big, but I know my dream is possible. I have faith in myself. I have faith in my practice. Every day I take small steps. I read, I write, I listen, I speak, I repeat. I want to tell you, my friends, please do not stop learning English. Read one page every day. Write one sentence every day. Listen to English songs. Talk to yourself. You will see magic. Your English will grow. Your confidence will grow. You will feel happy. Remember, practice is the key. Mistakes are your friends. English is not hard. Just practice every day. Thank you so much for listening to my big dream story. I hope you liked it. Please practice with me. Let's learn English together. Let's make our dreams true. See you in my next story. Keep smiling, keep learning, keep speaking English. Bye-bye.